Hi, I'm Nick, welcome to Technic channel. Let me first show you what we found inside this iPhone. It's a no-name battery. It's just a battery. As you can see, it's pretty inflated, and despite the forever what is saying on it, this didn't last even 1 year. Look at the cells, they are pretty damaged, and this wasn't working anymore. First of all, before you try anything, if you think you have a good battery, try this. Connect the iPhone to the PC, to iTunes, hold the home button until you see the restore logo, and try to fix it from iTunes, restore or reset it. Now let me show you what the logo flash forever. It's because the batteries are totally drained, you can't charge it anymore. And to prove it this, I'll just remove the battery connector now, and I'll show you that the logo is still working on the iPhone, even if there is no more battery connected to the iPhone. Now I'm going to totally remove the battery from here. We are going to swap it with another battery. As you can see, the logo is still working, even there is not even a battery inside the iPhone. Okay, let me just put the new battery in. Let's push this little jumper here. Be careful when you do that. And as you can see, the logo is not flashing anymore. Actually, the iPhone is pretty much loading now, and will take just a few seconds for it to start. So this is the problem, the battery is totally drained, is not detected, and there's nothing you can do except replacing the battery. As you can see, the phone is powering now. Thanks for watching, and until next time, press that sub button.